Hi guys, I just received my Walmart beauty box last week. I'm just going to show you what I received in it. I don't know if this is for the fall or the winter. Um, I'm just going to tell you it's for 2019 or slash 2020. And this beauty box costs $5. And you receive this for spring, summer, fall, and winter. And I have taken the items out of the box, and I wanted to show you the items that I received. The first item is Neutrogena Dermatologist Recommended Brand Blackhead Eliminating Strip to Scrub, an innovative new strip that transforms with water into a scrub. And from what I see, you would put this on your nose. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like inside. And it says complete new way to treat blackheads and shrink the to shrink the look of pores. It says this innovative pore strip instantly targets blackheads and even the ones you can't see. And this is the strip that you receive. You receive one. It's like a sample. This is a sample. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. The next item that I received is Jergens. And it says Jergens Body Butter Collection, Lavender Soothing, Smooth with Common Lavender Essence Oil Triple Butter Blend. And this is also like a sample size. The next item that I received is by Bix, and this is a razor, and it says so with it. Sensitive 3 flexible blades, comfort shield. It helps protect skin from nicks and cuts. And this is like a full size. This is nice. Can't wait to try it. Then the next item that I received here is by Dove, and it's a dry spray. Go Fresh Cool Essence. I guess that's the name of the scent. And it says here it's 48-hour antiperspirant, non-irritating formula. So this is what this looks like. Then the next and the last item that I received, and this is by NYX Lingerie Ray, Professional Makeup, and this is a lip gloss, and this is what this looks like. And it says it's a professional makeup here. And these are all the items that I received in there. And I'm just going to show you the paper that came in there. This says NYX Professional Makeup. And it comes, oh, okay. And this is the lip glosses that are in there. The colors. And this is the back. And it shows like all the colors that they have. And Walmart sells them. And then they also have a lip liner here. Call it a lippy. And yeah, this is that. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. And also, this is the other one for the Jergens, and these are the, I guess these are the scents that they have here. And the one I got is for calming, which I need. And also it comes in Jergens Rose for soothing. And then down here it's Jergens Sunset Citrus, and it's energizing. And these are all body lotions. It says body butter collection. And yeah, these are all the items that I received in my Walmart beauty box for, I guess it's fall or / winter beauty box. And because I'm not sure. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. Goodbye.